What if time doesn't move forward? What if the universe isn't progressing, but replaying? Every moment you experience, every star that forms, every galaxy that collides, what if it has all happened before? And we're not moving toward the future, we're looping through it. We're taught that time flows in one direction, past to present to future. But modern physics is beginning to question that assumption. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some scientists believe time may not be linear at all, and why the universe itself may be stuck in a repeating cycle we cannot escape. The human idea of time. Time feels obvious to us. Seconds tick forward, memories stay behind, the future hasn't happened yet. This perception feels so natural that we assume it must reflect reality. But physics tells a very different story. At the deepest level of the universe, there is no built-in direction for time. The equations that govern reality work just as well forward as backward. Which raises a disturbing question. If physics doesn't care which way time moves, why do we? The arrow of time. Scientists call our experience of time's direction the arrow of time. We see eggs break but never reassemble. We remember the past, not the future. Entropy increases. But entropy doesn't define time, it only describes disorder. The arrow of time may not be a fundamental law, it may be a side effect, a symptom, not a cause. Reversible universe laws. At the smallest scales, the laws of physics are reversible. Particles collide the same way whether time moves forward or backward. Atoms don't know what before means. This implies something unsettling. The universe itself may not distinguish between past and future. Only observers like us do. And here's where it gets disturbing. If time doesn't flow forward naturally, then something else must be forcing it to appear that way. Cosmic time loops. Some cosmological models suggest the universe may cycle endlessly. Expansion, cooling, collapse, rebirth. Not once, but forever. Each cycle nearly identical to the last. If this is true, then the universe doesn't end, it resets, and time begins again. Black holes and time reversal. Black holes complicate time even further. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically. To an outside observer, objects falling in appear frozen. From the object's perspective, time continues normally, which means time is not universal. It depends where you are and how gravity bends space. This opens the door to an unsettling idea. Time may be locally experienced, not globally consistent. The block universe theory. One of the most serious ideas in physics is the block universe. In this model, the past exists, the present exists, the future exists, all at once. Time does not flow. We move through it, like reading pages in a book that already exists in full. If true, the universe is static. Only consciousness moves. Why we feel time move. Our brains store memory asymmetrically. We remember what came before, not what comes after. This creates the illusion of motion. But the universe may not be changing. We are. Our awareness slides through a fixed structure of reality, giving rise to the sensation of time. Cosmic replay possibility. Now consider this. If the universe cycles and physical laws remain consistent, then each cycle may unfold almost exactly the same way. The same galaxies, the same stars, the same events. Not because of fate, but because physics allows only limited outcomes. Have we been here before? If time loops, then this moment may not be unique, not a copy, not a simulation, but a repetition. The universe may be replaying itself like a cosmic recording with no memory of previous runs, except perhaps subtle echoes. Observational hints. Some scientists search for signs of previous cycles, patterns in cosmic radiation, unexplained alignments, unlikely uniformity. Nothing conclusive, but nothing ruled out. The universe remains suspiciously consistent for something that allegedly happened once. The final possibility. If time does not truly flow, if the universe exists as a fixed structure, then free will becomes complicated, not impossible, but constrained. Choices still feel real, but they may already be embedded in the fabric of reality, waiting to be experienced. The universe may not be moving forward, it may be unfolding, revealing itself to consciousness one moment at a time. Time might not be a river, it may be a landscape, and we are walking through it. If this idea unsettled you, leave a comment. Do you think time flows, or do we? Like the video if this changed how you see reality. Subscribe because the universe is far stranger than it appears.